Playing TaleSpire, tabletop RPG, and curious about TLDICT files in the game directory? These are dictionary data files used by the virtual tabletop game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these TaleSpire dictionary files work. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange TLDICT formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. TLDICT files are dictionary data files used by TaleSpire, a 3D virtual tabletop role-playing game application. They contain reference data game content definitions, text translations, or asset cataloging information used by the TaleSpire client to render game elements and provide multilingual support during tabletop gaming sessions. TLDICT files use TaleSpire's proprietary format, storing key value pairs, reference identifiers, translation strings, or content metadata, depending on the specific dictionary purpose. The structure includes header information version, data, character encoding specifications, and indexed entries, optimized for fast lookup during game runtime operations. The preferred application for managing the TLDICT file is TaleSpire from Bouncy Rock Entertainment. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows may show the file's presence but not its meaning, requiring specialized software for access. Let's find the specific program that links to the file signature. Right-click the TLDICT file and hit Open With. Test TaleSpire if available. If not, choose a different app. That often leads to the solution. When a TLDICT file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, letting TaleSpire handle files. TLDICT files are managed automatically by the TaleSpire application and don't require manual access for normal gameplay. The game client reads these files during startup and gameplay to populate game content, provide translations, and reference assets. Avoid modifying these files, which can break game functionality. Next, inspecting file contents. Open TLDICT files in a text editor or hex editor like HXD to examine their contents for educational purposes. Some dictionary files may contain readable text, while others use binary encoding. This inspection helps understand how TaleSpire organizes its game data without affecting actual gameplay. Finally, restoring from backup. If TLDICT files become corrupted causing TaleSpire issues, verify game files through the Steam client, which detects and repairs damaged files automatically. The Steam verification process re-downloads any corrupted dictionary files, restoring proper game functionality without requiring manual file management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.